In this video, we'll look at one example using the law of sines to solve a word problem. Tom and Jerry are walking along a beach. Jerry is 200 feet ahead of Tom. They both see a surfer in the water. The angle at Tom to the surfer is 47 degrees. The angle at Jerry to the surfer is 32 degrees. What is the distance between Jerry and the surfer? So my first step in solving these type of problems is to draw a triangle. Now that we have our triangle, let's start filling in some of the information that we're given. So we have Jerry and Tom and a surfer. Jerry and Tom are walking along the beach and they're 200 feet apart from each other. And they both see a surfer. The angle at Tom to the surfer is 47. And the angle at Jerry to the surfer is 32. And we're looking to solve for the distance between Jerry and the surfer. Now remember, when we're using the law of sines, we use side lengths and we use angle measures. And the corresponding angle and sides are going to be across from each other. So here we have some corresponding angles and sides. So we're going to have sine of 47 degrees over x. Now for this ratio, we have the side length, we have 200, but we're missing the angle measure. So to figure that out, it's not too crazy. We know that each triangle, the angle measures add up to 180. So we're just going to subtract the angle measures that we already have to figure out what the third one is. And that's going to be 101 degrees. So this angle right here is 101 degrees. So we can go ahead and plug that into our equation. Our first step in solving is going to be cross multiplying. So I'll have sine of 47 degrees times 200 is equal to sine of 101 times x. Next, I'll divide both sides by sine of 101 degrees. On the right side, my sine of 101s cancel out and I'm left with x. And on the left side, I'll plug into my calculator. Sine of 47 degrees times 200 divided by sine of 101. My calculator tells me that the distance between Jerry and the surfer is 149 feet. Nice work!